Today we have another G-Wagon project ongoing. So this is a 2019 G63 that we are going to install with a full exhaust system from Akrapovic. And that is how the G-Class sounds with the factory exhaust system. It's not loud at all. It doesn't fit the characteristics of a G-Wagon, and that's why this Akrapovic system has to go into the car in order to make the G63 sounds great again. As usual, we are going to install the Evolution line titanium exhaust and also these downpipes for the G-Wagon, and of course the iconic Akrapovic tailpipes for the G-Class that looks absolutely amazing. The Akrapovic Evolution line system is made out of titanium materials, so these mufflers are extremely lightweight. As you can see, I can easily lift it up with one hand. These are actually a lot lighter if we compare to those factory exhaust system. With this Akrapovic full exhaust system installed on the G63, there will be some significant performance increase, whereby you'll get around 30 horsepower and 55 Newton meters of torque increase over the factory system, and also a very impressive 14 kilograms of weight reduction over those heavy stock exhaust system. Here I have the stock muffler with me, and let's take a look at how does this stock exhaust looks like on the inside. We can see that on this stock muffler, from the inside is fully blocked, and that's why with this stock muffler on the G-Class, it doesn't sound loud at all even when the valves are fully open. On the other hand, now I have the Akrapovic muffler with me, and from the inside we can see that there's no any blockage at all. It's a straight through design, and this is the valve flaps. That's the reason why once we install this Akrapovic exhaust, it will definitely sound a lot louder compared to the factory exhaust system. The valve control function is fully compliant with the factory OEM drive settings. So we just plug in the harness onto this electrical valve motor, and you can control the valves by using the factory button on the steering, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus mode to turn on and off the valves. This is the factory downpipe that we have taken out from the G63. From here we can see that there's actually this secondary catalytic converters on the downpipe section, and once we install this Akrapovic link pipes, it removes the secondary catalytic converters. The catalytic converter is very restrictive on the exhaust gas flow, and also it kills off a lot of sound on the G-Class compared to this Akrapovic link pipes that actually deletes the secondary catalytic converters. While our customer's black color G63 is in progress for Akrapovic exhaust upgrade, we have another grey color G63 here as well. And this car has also installed with our Akrapovic exhaust system. Akrapovic exhaust system is arguably one of the best exhaust system available in the market for the G-Class, and that's why so many owners decided to upgrade their cars with our exhaust system. So this Akrapovic exhaust system is definitely a must-have upgrade for your G63. We have installed the Akrapovic Evolution Line titanium exhaust on our client's G63, and also this section is actually the Akrapovic link pipes that removes the secondary cat, and we have wrapped the link pipes in this high temperature heat wrap. Now this is how the G63 sounds with a full Akrapovic exhaust system installed, and also the primary decat downpipes with a stage 2 ECU tune. Let us know in the comment section below what you think about this brand new Akrapovic titanium exhaust. How does it sound on the 4-liter V8 twin turbo G63? Remember to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future.